Everyone thinks Dacia makes cheap cars. They're wrong. Under 29,000 euros gets you a family-sized hybrid SUV with more trunk space than a Nissan Qashqai and tech that costs 10,000 euros extra elsewhere. The 2026 Bigster Expression Hybrid 155 doesn't look like a budget SUV. Sharp LED lights, muscular shoulders, flat hood that makes it look ready for anything. At 4.57 meters long, it's the same size as a Hyundai Tucson, but it costs less than a Volkswagen Golf. Now open the hood, and this is where things get interesting. You get a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine paired with 2 electric motors and a 1.4 kilowatt-hour battery. Total output, 155 horsepower. The gearbox is insane. 6 gears for the petrol engine, 2 more for the electric motors. No clutch, just pure efficiency. It runs in electric mode up to 80% of the time in the city. That's not a typo. 80% of fuel consumption, 4.6 liters per 100 kilometers. CO2 emissions sit at just 105 grams per kilometer. You can cruise at 112 miles per hour and still average over 60 mpg. Step inside and you'll forget this costs under 30 grand. 612 liters of trunk space with the seats up. That beats a Kia Sportage by 21 liters. The rear seats fold in a 40-20-40 split, not the usual 60-40. You can fit skis between 2 passengers. Dual zone climate control comes standard. The driver and front passengers set their own temperature. Rear passengers get dedicated air vents. A 10.1-inch touchscreen runs everything. Wireless smartphone connectivity, 6-speaker Archimedes 3D sound. But here's the genius part. Dacia kept the physical buttons. Full climate control panel below the screen, proper steering wheel buttons, a classic stereo controller on the column. You don't need to touch the screen while driving. There's even a quick access panel to turn off annoying safety features with one press. The materials feel hard-wearing instead of premium, but 6-foot adults fit comfortably in the back. Headroom and legroom beat most rivals. U-clip attachment points let you mount phone holders, cup holders, even tray tables. 4 standard points, 2 more available on the headrests, automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, lane keeping assist, lane change warning, all standard. So what's the damage? 28,980 euros. That's the price for the Expression trim with the full hybrid 155 system. A Hyundai Tucson hybrid starts at 38,000 euros. A Toyota RAV4 hybrid, over 40,000 euros. You're saving 10,000 euros and getting the same space. The Bigster proves something important. Budget doesn't mean boring, it means smart. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.